If you have bad credit, you should be following these 3 steps to potentially achieve better results when it comes to your financial needs. Here we go. Step number 1, you should get a copy of all your 3 main credit reports. You can do so by accessing annualcreditreport.com, which you can obtain a free copy of your 3 main credit reports: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You could also access Experian, which you could download the app, or you can get Identity IQ, whichever platform you think is best for you. I recommend annualcreditreport.com because it is free. You only have to input information, and that way you will obtain a free copy of all your 3 credit reports. Step number 2 will be to identify if you have any negative information or any information that is inaccurate. And after you find out this information, you have to start the dispute process, challenging this information with the 3 main credit reports: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You have to dispute this information following the FCRA and FDCPA to obtain better results. Do not download a template online. I do not recommend that because this is just generic information and you will not obtain results. If you're struggling with bad credit, you can give us a call. We can provide a consultation. We can go over your case, your report, and explain more about the credit repair process and the plan of action that we can take to assist you. Florida Credit Firm.